Making paper pots is really easy. You just get half a sheet of newspaper, you fold it over a lip, turn the paper over and divide into thirds. Tucking the third one back under. Turn it over, again tuck it back under the top lip. Once it's done, you can open it up, fill it with soil and plant into it. This size is great for tomatoes or the bigger plants, but if you want things like lettuces and smaller plants, go for a quarter size newspaper. Again, do the top flap over, turn it around, divide it into thirds, tucking the third one under, flatten it out, turn it over and tuck it under the top flap. Open it up and it's ready to go and plant your seedlings into.